Okay, today you're going to be watching, or you're going to be listening, actually, not watching me. You're going to be listening to me talk about how to organize your binders. You should have already looked at the daily stuff board to see that you needed your website homework and a binder. If you haven't already gotten your binder, go ahead and get your binder now. Alright, at this point you should have your binder now. Section number 1. First of all, you're going to need at least this many dividers. 5 dividers. Each one of the dividers is going to have a name. We won't write those names on those today, but each one of those dividers is going to have a name. Most divider packets come with 8, so if you bought a divider packet, then you should have at least, you're definitely going to have 5. So, first thing, notes. I believe it was Monday when we took all the notebook paper and put it behind the first divider. So if you've already done that step, then you're finished with that. The first section is called notes, and all notebook paper goes here. Okay? Alright, so second section. The title of it is Website Work. Monday, when you get back after the weekend, you're going to take the website work that you turned in this week and put it in that section. So, second section, title of it is Website Work, and you'll do that every week. You'll put all the website work in that particular part of your binder. So the second section is called Website Work, and all website work goes here. Okay? The third section, math worksheets. The third section is math worksheets. Yesterday you put a math paper in your binder. For those of you that have your binder, you should have put it in there. It goes behind that section. First one is notes. Second one, website work. Third one, math worksheets. These are all daily grade papers. Go here. All daily grade papers go here. Okay? Fourth section, test and quizzes. Test and quizzes. All the test that you do, all the test grade papers will go there. All the test grade papers will go there. And then the last section, this is the one that's going to take a while. This is called the glossary. The entire math book glossary goes here. Alright, so at this point, the first person in each column, actually, you know what? One person that's at the front of a column. You know what? Backtrack that. The first person in each column. Go grab your math books now. I'll give you a second to pass those out. I'll actually give you 3 or 4 seconds. So, go get your math books. Alright. Just to review, while you're completing the process of getting your math books to each other. First divider, notes. All notebook paper goes here. Second divider, website work. All website work goes here. Third divider, math worksheets. All daily grade papers go here. Fourth divider, test and quizzes. All test grade papers go here. Fifth divider, which is what we're starting right now. That's called the glossary. And the entire math book glossary goes here. Now what I need you to start doing is go ahead and open in your book. I'm going to show you what page. Alright, in your math book, turn it until you get to glossary. You see this blue tab right here? That's what you want to kind of look for. If you're flipping through the book, you can see this light blue tab show up. Okay, that's what you want to look for. And what you're going to do now, you're literally going to tear out every single one of these pages. Slowly. Do not tear them up. Take your time. Okay, you've got somewhere around, I'm at 6.5 minutes right now. So you've got 40 minutes. Well, more like 38. But take your time. Tear them out carefully. Okay? You're going all the way from page, excuse me, you can't see that, can you? Going all the way from G2 all the way to page, looks like it ends on, yep, G37. You're tearing all of those out. Okay? I'm going to give you, actually, if the sub, you'll just press pause on the video right here and let them complete that activity. Take your time tearing out the pages from G2 all the way to G37. Every single one of those pages that has a blue stripe on the right side or left side of it. Okay? Blue stripe glossary pages, tear them out. Get it done. Go ahead and pause the video. Alright, now you should be finished with the glossary now. So now that everything is torn out, you want to take all of those pages one at a time and slide them inside the sheet protectors. Each glossary page gets its own sheet protector. So if I take a glossary page here and I tear it out, alright, I'm going to take this page, this single page right here, and I'm going to slide it inside of a sheet protector. Okay? Each individual glossary page gets its own sheet protector. Alright? Go ahead and pause the video and give them time to complete that. Alright, now that you've completed putting each now that you've completed putting each glossary page into a sheet protector, now you want to make sure that all of your sheet protectors are behind that fifth divider, which is called the glossary. Okay? Alright, that's 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Now for those of you that don't have your binders, you should have a piece of paper pretty well filled out. But in case you don't, here is that page. If you wanted to pause the video right here so those who didn't write anything down, who didn't do what they were supposed to do, could copy this down, you could go ahead and pause it. Alright, So hopefully those of you that don't have your binder have some notes here that you can take with you, so when you do get your binder, you'll have something to organize it. Like I said in class, today is the last day we'll spend organizing this thing. You need to take care of that during a T period class if you didn't have your binder today. You can just ask me, I'll give you a pass, you can come in and organize it. For those of you that did have your binder, go ahead and put your binder up. When the bell rings, wait for the sub to dismiss you.